Just a day after officially opening his congressional campaign headquarters, New York State Assembly member Michael Blake, on Reverend Dr. Martin Luther King Day, delivered his State of the District address.
2020 is about perfect vision, and I really want us to focus on renewed hope.
As someone who grew up in the Morrisania Concourse Village neighborhood he now represents, Blake went on to graduate from the Medill School of Journalism at Northwestern University. His background includes work as an intern for Barack Obama's Yes We Can initiative, which led to work at the White House and other profile roles. Today, as vice chair of the Democratic National Committee, Blake is all about celebrating his community, where he announced he'll create the borough's first Little Africa to pay homage to his district's large West African diaspora. He also wants to support a new generation of youth coming up.
If you give someone opportunities, you can change the game. And so from our jobs and justice agenda of how do you do more training for young people and connect with our entrepreneurs on the ground, our focus on healthcare, in particular, how do we make sure we do have the protections that we need? On criminal justice, not having rollbacks on the work we've done the last few years.
Along with passing groundbreaking criminal justice reform legislation in Albany, Blake has also worked to provide mentoring programs through Project Rise, Our Time, Our Vote, sponsored by the New York Urban League.
He has been involved from day one in the work that we're doing to help our brothers and sisters in Puerto Rico during the time of the earthquake.
Last week, Blake encouraged the public to donate to El Maestro's Boxing Club at 1300 Southern Boulevard for victims of the earthquakes and tremors that have rocked the island. He also traveled to Puerto Rico, joining Assembly member Maritza Davila from Brooklyn to distribute relief items.
I spent time in Guanica, in Ponce, in San Juan, and felt tremors in all three places. I saw a school that entire floor was leveled.
This is a day set aside for service, and we know that being an elected official is about public service.
A one-time city council person, Helen Diane Foster, whose late father served the district in the same role, praised Blake's commitment and resources he brings to the borough.
It's very easy to look at the Bronx and say what we're lacking. We're not lacking. We have so much, and he's an example of that.
For BronxNet, this is Arlene Makoko.